guys, and welcome back to my channel. So before we start this vlog, I've been meaning to tell you guys about this product and I keep forgetting. I take a lot of vitamins because my levels can drop really fast because of endometriosis, so I have to take supplements and a lot of vitamins on a daily basis. But I've been using this one supplement and I really think it is going to help a lot of y'all, especially if you are someone like me and you get UTI very easily. UTI is urinary tract infections very easily, even if you use like a public toilet and all of that, then this is for you. This is the cranberry extract from the brand Zenith, and this is a vitamin, so anyone can take it, and especially if you are someone who's very sensitive and you get these infections very easily. Like even if I use a public toilet once, I get infection and I can't afford to get UTIs because that directly flares up my endometriosis. So I've been taking this to help maintain the health of my urinary tract. Now cranberry is a very strong antioxidant, so it really helps detox everything and it keeps everything healthy. So I take about one of this capsule every day after breakfast usually, and even if I forget it after breakfast, I take it sometimes at night. I've asked my doctor about it and she's said I can take it anytime, but this is really good, especially if you are very sensitive. And if you know me, like vaginal health and all these things are very important for me and I always talk about it. So I will leave the link to this in the description box. Check it out, it's very good, and especially if you are very sensitive. Getting UTI is the worst thing because it gives you so much burning sensation and stomach pain and all of that, and I think we already have enough problems and we don't need another problem. So while you are using all the other things and you're making sure that the toilets are clean, make sure to have something like this that will prevent it and will keep your urinary tract really healthy so that you don't get these infections at all. Now you get 60 capsules in this. This is suitable for vegetarians also. This has no sugar, no preservatives, no corn, no soy, no dairy, yeast free, and it is gluten free, so it is perfect for anyone can use it. So I will leave the link to this. You can try it out. It is really good for your urinary tract, and from the time I've been taking this, I use public toilets without any fear, and I'm absolutely fine. I haven't had any kind of infection, or I haven't gotten any kind of any kind of pain or anything because of using public toilets. So try this, it's really good. Hi guys, so today is 8th September. It is 6:34. I am planning to go and get a haircut done. Now I have no plans of getting my hair chemically treated or coloring it because I don't want to mess with my natural hair like that, but the only way I can do some kind of change is through haircut. So I was thinking I'm just going to get some fringes and maybe like trim my hair length a little so that I have some kind of change. It's just getting too boring. So I'll take you guys with me for my haircut. It's weird, like I'm still not used to vlogging in public, but I will try for you guys so that you all can know whatever I'm doing. Like even on days when I'm not able to post, I can at least post this. Like even today I was struggling with pain till about 3:30 and now I'm absolutely fine, so I thought I'd just go for a haircut. And I always make sure to know exactly what I want when it comes to haircut, because if you are going to be confused, then the hairdresser is just going to do something and you are going to regret it. So always make sure that you know what you want. Get some pictures, carry some pictures with you so that you can show them. I will never color my hair. I don't think I'll ever do that. The only thing I like to do with my hair is try out different hair products, but other than that I'm never going to get it chemically treated or get it colored. So haircut is my only option. And always keep in mind what you exactly want so that you can take your time and explain it to your hairdresser, and then they will give you whatever you want. So let's go.
They'll ask yaar and the Gundamma. Gundamma. They'll ask who's the beautiful woman. Ayyo valikide unna hug pannite.
every Ritu fan there.
பார்த்தோன்னே பயந்துருவாங்க.
I just got done with my haircut. I just got few layers and a fringe. Wow, Akka, pretty. Nano, hi. Hi guys, so I just reached home. Now I usually get fringes, but then it starts annoying me on my face, so I start pinning it up. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I hope I'm getting better at it. I'm just trying. So if you liked today's vlog, then please like and subscribe, and I will meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.